Hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out Nabla's Futuristic Foundation. You know I love makeup, you know I love foundation, and if you like these types of videos, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and remember I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you know when I upload. Okay, so Nabla, I love their skin glazing powder, and that's what made me want to try their foundation. It took me a hot minute to try to find it because it's not offered locally in the United States. So I had to order it off of Beauty Bay, which is based out of the United Kingdom. It took about 2 weeks to get to me. It comes in 20 shades and it's 1 fluid ounce for $36. I know, super pricey, but I was so blown away by this particular product, I had to try out their foundation. What are the specs on it? Let's check it out. Now, it claims it is suitable for all skin types. It's an innovative texture with medium buildable coverage, and a super adhered film gives a long-lasting, luminous finish. It has coated microparticles that blur imperfection and recreates skin's natural radiance, formulated with a high-tech copolymer that provides a soft and fluid texture with excellent blendability. So we're just gonna dive right in and see how it works for my 52-year-old skin. Okay, let's go. I was kind of disappointed with the packaging with the Nabla Close-Up Futuristic Foundation. It came in a plastic bottle, but I guess that's good because it shipped over from the United Kingdom. But we're gonna shake her up and we're just gonna go right in. Every component is plastic cap, and it comes out in a squeezy tube, which I thought was kind of bizarre, but I'm gonna go ahead and pump some out on my hand. It's very liquidy. Ooh. And I did get the shade L40, which is light with yellow undertones. We're just gonna go right in. It's very liquidy. Oh my gosh. Okay. And it does have a perfumey scent, so beware. I'm gonna go ahead and tap it in. Now it says medium to buildable coverage. So far, oh wow. This looks beautiful, oh my goodness. Okay, foundation is on. Oh my goodness, look at the coverage that I'm getting. And I really didn't put that much on, and it really went on smooth. It went on effortlessly. It's covering up my hyperpigmentation and the redness around my nose. It claims to have a second skin effect, a long-lasting luminous matte finish. This is stunning, oh my God. Vegan and cruelty-free, coated microparticles blur imperfection and recreate skin's natural radiance. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. It's not settling into my fine lines. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, final look everyone. Now for eyes, I just went in with Tati's Textured Neutrals palettes in the Poet story. I know I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone of all the neutrals, but I went in with the Poet story over here and I think it looks pretty good. For under eye concealer, I went in with Dose of Color's new Meet Your Hue under eye concealer, and it played extremely well with the foundation. Now I did finish it off with the Nabla Skin Glazing. What do you think of the foundation? I think it looks amazing. It feels moisturizing, even though it's a luminous matte finish. It feels so skin-like. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing any makeup whatsoever. But we're gonna take a look at what it looks like in natural daylight, and I'll be right back. And here we are in natural daylight. It is such a gloomy day here in Tennessee, but this is the best I could do. So I think it looks really nice in natural daylight. Oh my God, it feels so comfortable. I cannot stress that. And it does not feel like I'm wearing any makeup whatsoever. But yeah, what do you think, guys? I'm loving it. I think it was worth the wait of waiting 2 weeks to get it in the mail and shipping over from the United Kingdom, but I'm loving it. But we're gonna go about our day and see how it lasts. Okay, and I'm back. It is exactly 11:28 p.m. It's been over 12 hours since I first applied the Nabla Close-Up Futuristic Foundation. And I have to tell you guys, I haven't touched up all day long. look how beautiful it's still lasting on my skin. I mean, granted, I wore my specs today. There's a little bit of transfer there. It did not settle into my fine lines through here or anywhere else. The coverage has stayed put all day long. Amazing. I have to say, for $36 and 1 fluid ounce, I highly recommend this. For mature skin, if you want that beautiful even tone complexion, comfortable, my skin felt like it was breathing all day long. Seriously, not one touch up, and it's been over 12 hours. I'm shocked. But yes, in my next upcoming video, I will be testing out another foundation from an amazing skincare line, and I can't wait to share that with you. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the Nabla Close-Up Futuristic Foundation. Leave a comment down below if you've ever even heard of this foundation. I told you I fell in love with their Nabla Skin Glazing, and I am head over heels in love with this foundation. Don't forget, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and don't forget to click on my little head in case you haven't subscribed yet. And if you don't, that's cool too. And don't forget to check out these videos over here in case you're interested. Mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.